This video is not sponsored. This is based on my experience.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to be doing a second part to the National Society of Leadership and Success. Is it a scam or is it not? I've been getting a lot of questions of what is it really? Is it a scam? Is it legit? Let me answer those burning questions for you here in this video, as I have done in the comment section of my first part of the video. So with that being said, let's get started. I made that video basically letting you guys know I wanted to purchase that. I didn't know if it was a scam or if it was legit, but I went ahead and I purchased it so I can know what it was about and make a video to let you guys know if it was a scam or not. So is it a scam or is it real? It's real. Also, is it a lot to pay for? Yes, in my opinion, it is. You're looking from around $100 and something up to $300 if you do upgrade. Is it worth it? Not really. It just depends on you. For me, it was worth it because I got that sense of, ooh, I did it, and I wanted that. I wanted that to be in my hands and be like, okay, I got this, I earned it. But that doesn't mean that you have to purchase it like I did, guys. Again, I did it to let you guys know what it was about. I basically was your guinea pig, and I basically was my own guinea pig. So now that I know the information, I'm gonna be truthfully honest with you guys. Would I do it again? No. The only thing that I got from the whole program that I really like was this shirt. Yes, this shirt, guys. This shirt is comfy, but again, it's like a Hanes shirt that you can get anywhere else, even at Walmart, Target, anywhere. Amazon for about $20. I mean, $20 to like $200 up. I'm gonna go ahead and read some of the questions that I had gotten in my previous video. So, would I recommend it? No. Do I think it's worth it? It depends, like I said. If you want it just to do the whole process and get that whole feeling for it, go for it. And if not, and if you don't have the means, don't do it. So the email you receive, you get it through your school email. You can also get a letter from them in your physical mailing address, so you can get it there and in your email. Yes, 120 and up is a lot for a certificate that just has your name, that you're part of the society, a t-shirt, a pin, and a sticker. I mean, if I could, I wouldn't have done it. I mean, we're all students. We've all been there. You know that as a student, you're struggling. You're struggling a lot, and you don't need this added to your bills. So you're already focusing on your classes. You're doing everything you have to, focusing on your career. For you to be focusing on this and doing the steps and doing the essay and taking time out of that, for me, it's not worth it. Also, the price, the money. College students are struggling. Be real. College students are struggling. We don't have $100 and something to spend on this, but I prefer buying this or my books or my supplies that I need for my class. Of course, I would prefer the school supplies and the books. Yes, you can find many of the videos they have at the society online, even here on YouTube. Certifications. Yes, certifications you can find and do them, even Google. You can Google it there. Scholarships, you can Google it there. You can also do fast web. So they do use scholarships that are exclusive to them, but you can also find scholarships at fast web or even Google it. Scholarships and then your area, and it shows up all the scholarships. Another thing is that this society has exclusive job offers, which they do, but also they use a search engine that's exactly like Indeed. It just has a different name. I'm gonna go ahead and say it for you guys. It's very good, boss. And I think you can sign up without even having like the society thing. Yes, this takes time. The whole thing takes time that you should be investing in your school, money that you shouldn't be investing in yourself and in your school, and not for, like I said, a pin, a sticker, a certificate with your name, and a t-shirt. Going to be truthfully honest with you guys, and from the time that I had purchased all of this till now, the times that I have used all this society exclusive thing, 3 times. 3 times. Only 3 times, guys. As I said, for me, it was worth it because I got that whole experience. It was something beautiful. I was doing super good in school, so it made me feel good about it. I'm not saying that it's going to be the same for you guys. For me to recommend it for you guys, I would say it's on you. But if you're a college student that has a lot of work and a lot of finances and you're struggling, whether it's with money or your school stuff, don't get it. It's not worth it. But it is legit. I'm being blunt, I'm being honest with you guys, because if you're struggling, I would not recommend that you get this. But if you want to get it and you have the means, just for the whole title of it, to be part of this whole society, go for it. I really do have to express that I believe that if a person is doing really well in school, they're working their behinds a lot, they don't need to pay for stuff like this. I believe that all of this should be free. Resources should be free to people. College students are working their behinds a lot. They can be struggling mentally, financially, in school. You don't know. Everybody is different. And for them to earn a spot in your society, you shouldn't have to pay for it. I just think it's like a whole fraternity that, oh, you have to go through the whole initiation in order to get this. And for me, to tell you the truth, guys, if you're working, you're behind, you shouldn't be paying for all this stuff. It should automatically be coming to you for free. And they shouldn't be covering it up with, oh, no, you get exclusive things. Yes, you might get 1 or 2, even 3 exclusive things, but everything else you can find for free outside. And again, don't let any society or any invitation tell you that you're not worth it. Because even if you get an invitation for this, or if you don't get it, that you are in college working yourself, investing in your future. So the best of luck to all of you guys. And with that being said, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these. And if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time. Bye, guys.